Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about one-step equation word problems. If I was given this word problem, a recipe for cookies calls for 3 1/4 cups of sugar. Amy has already put in 3 1/9 cups. How many more cups does she need to put in? What I want to do is create an equation with that information. So the recipe calls for a total of 3 1/4 cups of sugar. All right. Now they tell us that Amy has already put in 3 1/9 cups. And we want to see how much more does she need to put in. Alright, so let's call that C. So 3 1/9 cups plus C, the amount of sugar, cups of sugar she needs to add in, should equal 3 1/4 cups. We want to get C by itself. Well, it's being added by 3 1/9 here, not 3 1/9. So opposite of addition is subtraction. 3 1/9 cups. Now, if you're like me and thinking, who the heck has a 1/9 of a cup measuring cup or whatever, but I guess it's a math problem here, right? So we subtract 3 1/9 cup to both sides. That eliminates the 3 1/9 on the right, giving me C, the number of cups that Amy needs to add of sugar, on the right by itself. Now 3 1/4 cups minus 3 1/9 cups comes out to be 5 36 cups of sugar. And so there we have our final answer, 5 36 cups of sugar. Quick recap, we're given the problem, a recipe for cookies calls for 3 1/4 cups of sugar. Amy has already put in 3 1/9 cups. How many more cups does she need to put in?